What is up, guys? Devontae Graves here, and I wanted to take this time to just tell my story because I haven't really explained my story, but I feel like my YouTube channel can pretty much summarize my story. But if you don't know, I'm a 22-year-old college student. I joined MCA 2 years ago, back when I was a freshman at uh at this university right here in my hoodie, and I seen MCA and I really wanted to find a way to make money online because I've been online since basically since I was born. I always had a computer, always been advanced with Photoshop and things like that. And that what led me into being in college now. But I seen MCA and I really wanted to find a way to make money online because I knew that was my strong point. Making YouTube videos, always been advanced in video editing and things of that nature. What I'm doing now, and I wanted to use my abilities to make a income online for myself. And I seen MCA, and I lived in a state where you had to, in North Carolina, in MCA you gotta do fingerprints, and then fingerprints is like a $200 fine just to get into MCA. MCA was out for me, but at the time I still wanted to. I was still promoting MCA, but at the time I didn't really knew what. I just knew I wanted to promote MCA with my strong points, with me being, creative with YouTube videos, and me being have the ability to make, good high quality videos. As you can see, my MCA videos have got me to where I am today as far as my YouTube channel. Um, I believe, yes, this video has 2,000 views, my most viewed video, about 50 likes, no dislikes. So I wanted to use my abilities to help people with MCA, and at the same time try to figure out how I can prosper in making money online. After I found out MCA was too expensive for me, um, I seen the Power Lead system and how it had a program called Lead Lightning. It was a one-time $7, and I was familiar with Lead Lightning because I was following X amount of gurus out there, and basically I started out with promoting Lead Lightning, and I started accumulating some success from like basically day one. But with that success, I didn't really take it seriously because you know it was just Lee Lightning, a little $6 commission, and then I didn't really take it very seriously until I seen the power in cryptocurrency, and then I really started to see the bigger picture. So I was just too broke for MCA, so I started out with the 7 year plan and Lead Lightning, the one time $7, and I scaled that to uh, to upgrade it. I just upgraded to the gold membership in Power Lead system. So it starts out with for $7 in Lead Lightning, and then you can be a gold member and start earning $20 commissions residual. And with me being in college, it was kind of hard for me to try to crank out videos. And on top of me being in college, I really didn't have the proper company I wanted to promote. So if you are wondering, I'm not currently in MCA, but I am promoting the Power Lead system, which promotes any business that you may please. So I don't want to get it confused of uh he's just promoting Power Lead system because he was in MCA. I'm not an MCA. I'm just strictly promoting the last year being broke plan. Me trying to figure out what MCA is. I cross paths with cryptocurrency, and then I've seen I've seen the goods and the bad sides of the cryptocurrency as far as scams, and I was never in BitConnect. I joined that wave pretty late. I made a BitConnect account like a week before they shut down. My interest for cryptocurrency is still very strong. I still hold X amount of coins, and with Future Ad Pro, I'm able to earn cryptocurrency, which I absolutely love. At the same time, I can promote my Power Lead system to the people of FutureNet and Future Ad Pro. And I know for a fact that the Power Leads system is a good system. So I wanted to go hand in hand with the last year being broke plan. Somebody really cutting grass right now? Well, I hope that's not too loud. The lawnmower that's outside. But continuing on, yeah, I've gotten in tune with cryptocurrency. I'm still following cryptocurrency. I still love it to death. But I have now here the last year being broke plan, and I'm starting out this plan with strictly the Power Leads system. And the Power Leads system can promote whatever business that you may, whatever online. It don't even have to be online. It could be whatever idea that you have in mind. And if you want to have the Power Leads system to do your email marketing and basically do all your promotion online, you can use the Power Leads system for that. You can create your own. You can basically create your own website, just like the back office to your online business, because it's the marketing system. You got the autoresponders. You can create your capture pages. You can edit your capture pages. You even got the training sources for you. But as of now, I have combined the Power Leads system with Internet Lifestyle Pros. Now Internet Lifestyle Pros is a training, basically a training that helps you promote the Power Lead system as well as your primary business. And like my story goes, I've been watching the online marketing thing for about 2.5 years now, and Internet Lifestyle Pros is a very good source in your back pocket strictly for your training. All right. And you have they really lay everything out for you, and for the price of a $1 is like $5 per month or whatever. um I seen the value in it immediately when I had the opportunity to plug in the Power Lead system, and just the way it lays the Power Lead system out. And then with the Internet Sales Pro, they have their own marketing which caters directly to the Power Lead system members. So your traffic will be much convertible when you're promoting the Power Lead system. You can buy traffic from here, and you can use the traffic to promote your Power Lead system. Or in my case, if you have a business, I'm not in a business. I'm just promoting the Power Lead system as of right now. But you can use Internet Lifestyle Pros just for all your marketing help, okay? Because this is just here to help you guys. You have marketing fundamentals, and this, you can go to Fast Start. You can click on Fast Start Training. You can plug in your Power Lead system ID and these other links, and then once you imported your Power Lead system ID, you save that. You can start buying traffic from here, and this is 100% top tier traffic. And this basically goes hand in hand with the Power Lead system. All right, and going back to my last video on the review of Internet Lifestyle Pros, one thing I really recommend once you get started with Internet Lifestyle Pros is really take 48 hours, at least 48 hours, to look at every single module, every single video, every single step. Okay, they have the your marketing links. They pretty much show you how they give you the share codes. You can Everything is duplicated, and you can start making money from day one. New people can start making money. I've seen it with my own eyes. New people can come right into this and make money as well, because everything is simply laid out for you, simply exposed how to make money online. And this is step one. This is how you plug in your share codes with the Power Lead system. Okay, and it has videos on each step. Okay, everything, like I keep saying, everything is laid out for you. Okay, all you gotta do is just go to lastyearbeingbrokeplan.com, and I have everything plugged in with Internet Lifestyle Pros and the Power Lead system. And they even have banners for you. They have email swipes. You can go to free training, and this is when you start your free training. This is the purpose of because it'll answer all the questions that you possibly may have. It answer all your questions, and it's like kind of like a snow plow. It plows all the BS that you're gonna be going through when first starting the online business. And I've been through it as well. You know, I didn't 2 years ago, me being in college, me first seeing MCA. I just wish this program was made 2 years ago so I didn't have to go through all the trials and tribulations and things of that nature. And yeah, Internet Marketing 101, traffic basics, capture pages, all video, 25-minute videos. Everything is laid out for you, and does a really good job of explaining everything about online marketing. He tells you his story. And this is why I want to tell you my story as well. And one thing he really says in the beginning is don't be afraid to spend your money, okay? And that doesn't mean joining this business, joining this shiny balls business, that business. No, he's referring to traffic, strictly traffic, when he says don't be afraid to spend your money, because you need to have that mindset when buying traffic, okay? Because traffic is something that you absolutely need. You have no business without traffic, and this is just some of the things he talks about in in the basic in the traffic basics video here, which is 25 minutes, and then he goes into the capture pages and lead magnets, and then he goes into your autoresponders and list buildings. I mean, the list buildings, and then sales pages, and then everything is just simply laid out for you. If you're absolutely new, then I strongly recommend getting Internet Lifestyle Pros at the last year being brokeplan.com, so you can just plow out all the complicated stuff that he teaches you. He really teaches you how to make money online. He gives us free traffic sources, how to effectively make money on Facebook and things like that, YouTube, and of course Craigslist as well. Everything is laid out for you. Instagram. Let's go to fast traffic. I'm going to show you guys the prices on the traffic, because it may be a little pricey, you know, but you can start off with Udemy solo ads, okay? But this is what I'm talking about right here: the Internet Lifestyle Pros traffic. You get 100 clicks for $90. That's not bad at all. These are very good prices, actually. Not bad, and this is 100% top tier traffic. So the traffic that you get from Internet Lifestyle Pros will go hand in hand with the Power Lead system. Okay, this was made specifically to help you with the Power Lead system. Okay, and of course, you still have money accumulating in Future Ad Pro as you click your 10 ads each and every day. You get paid every 30 minutes. So links will be in the description for Future Ad Pro and Internet Lifestyle Pro / Power Lead system. Okay, and again, Internet Lifestyle Pros is here to help you. Okay, they give you all these modules. It's so informative. I wish I would have known this in the beginning of my journey, and I don't want you guys to go through 2 years of trials and tribulations like I did. I want you guys to really get everything laid out for you. Just strictly for the training, this is the best as far as helping you with your Power Lead system. All right. Now, I'm not currently in a business right now. I am looking at a cryptocurrency business, but as of right now, it's strictly Power Lead system. Last year being Broke Plan and Internet Lifestyle Pros. Okay, so again, Internet Lifestyle Pros will help you accumulate sales and traffic and leads much quicker. It'll make a lot more sense to you as well with Tim laying out all the videos and traffic and what to do and what not to do. All right, that was a big thing for me. He really explained what to do and what not to do, because Tim has been through it all, and I want you guys to have the keys to success. And internet lifestyle pros, along with the power lead system, can be your foundation to starting your empire up. All right. So thanks for watching. This is our last year being broke plan. I will see you on the inside.